In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Drive folder from one account to another. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few steps. Whether you're managing different accounts for work and personal use, or perhaps helping someone else move their files, these instructions will guide you through the procedure. First, you'll want to open Google Drive on the account that currently owns the folder you wish to transfer. To do this, navigate to the Google Drive homepage in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can access the desired folder efficiently. Once you're in your Google Drive, take some time to locate the folder you want to share. This can be done by browsing through your folders or using the search function located at the top of the page. Once you've found the folder, simply click on it to select it. You'll notice that the selected folder appears highlighted, indicating it's ready for the next steps. Now hover over the share button. You'll find this option usually situated at the top right of the screen. This share feature is integral to moving files between accounts, as it allows you to give another account access to the folder's contents. With share selected, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Click on this box to open options for sharing your folder. At this point, you'll need to type the email address of the account to which you wish to move or share the folder. Ensure that you have typed the email address correctly to avoid any sharing mishaps. After entering the email address, you should see an option to add a message or change permission settings. This could be a good opportunity to adjust access levels or add a note if necessary. However, in most cases, leaving the default settings will suffice for a standard folder transfer. Finally, click on the Send button to share the folder with the other account. Google Drive will notify the recipient email that they now have access to the shared folder. Note that by default, this action only shares the folder, meaning the ownership remains with the original account unless transferred. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to move a Google Drive folder from one account to another. If you wish to make the other account the owner, further actions will be required once access is granted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now able to share your Google Drive folders with ease. If you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments section below, and happy file sharing.